Alright, greetings from Lenawee County in the great state of Michigan. I am the Lenawee Tractor. This is not a project to update the front of the Silverwing or the Forza. I could, but no. My headlight has burned out yet again. This seems to be an ongoing problem with the left side of the car. The right side seems fine. I don't understand it. But somebody told me what I need to do is I need to get a new wiring harness. So what I did was I went online and I looked them up, and yes, there are still some out there. Come on. There's your part numbers. So I'm hoping this solves the problem. I'm getting tired of having to do this. This is a lot of work just to change a headlight. When I'm in a better position, this thing is so gone. Alright, now I'm not going to recap everything. If you want to see what it takes to take this piece off, you've got an inner piece that has 10 millimeter here, here, where else? Over there. So, and right here and here. The bottom ones that go along the bottom, I don't know, you see those little holes in the front spoiler thing. They're just 7 millimeter bolts, and there's a couple of those little, oh, what are they? These little plastic, grabbed the wrong one. These little plastic things. You can buy these kind of tools like at any auto parts store. They're really fantastic. You just slip them up in there and pry them out. I like to use this side because I get lots of oomph. Alright folks, as you can see I got it out. The headlight connector looks really good. No rust, no nothing, no. It seems like it's really nicely in there. Now, as you saw, there's a 10 millimeter there. And there's a 10 millimeter on the side. You might have to push it down a little bit to slide it out, but that's about the worst of it. Now the headlights are H11s. I just got your basics. Last time I put 2 headlights in, I put the fancy silvers in. Didn't seem to last any longer, so I don't see the point. And the side marker on the one side isn't working, so I just bought a couple LED ones, and we're going to go from there. The connector looks really good. My concern is this one over here. This is the one that keeps burning out, so I'm going to get that pulled out of there right now. Come on, let it go. Toast! Look at that. You can see where the lead is supposed to be, and it's got a little ball of solder on the end of it. Whereas this is what they're supposed to look like, folks. Alright, I basically got all the lights out. I see this one looked like she got really hot. There doesn't appear to be any kind of burn marks or anything on that. It looks pretty good. And the high beam, the H9 right there, again, looks really good. Come on, focus. Looks really good. The marker light got really hot, as you can see. But other than that, I'm not seeing any real reason for it to have had a burnout. And the wires on the new harness don't appear to be any thicker or heavier, but they said when I ordered it, this is a heavy duty version. It's like, I don't think so, Skippies. Oh yeah, and for you guys that always say buy American, yeah, right. The wiring harness for GM is made in Honduras. I learned that long time ago back at UTA. So, I mean, well, anyway, at any rate, that one is going away. That one will be installed. Just, and you can see I put the 194 LED in place. Come on. Oh, it doesn't want to turn now. Of course. That's okay. I know how to make things work. All right. All right, there's a little tab, smaller tab on the bottom, bigger tab on top. Yep, I bet you it goes right in now. Gee, go figure. All right, now when you're dealing with this, it's okay to touch the end. Do not touch the bulb. Do not let the bulb go in there. Goofy. Do not let it touch any surface except the package that it came in. And there you go. It's in there nice and tight too. And as you can see, there's only one way this one can go on to. It's on the bottom side. And it comes from the top on this. So we put this up in here like so. And we just kind of there we go. You'll hear a little click when the little tabs, I don't know if you can see those, engage. Alright, before I get going too far, I want to get this thing lined up. And it goes right in here. That's all it does. It's right down in there. Now, the side of this, oh, maybe it's on the other piece. No, it's on this one. You can see, maybe you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. You can see this little tab here folding over. It slips straight down on this piece right here. So we'll do that once we get that connected. Hey. All right, just so you know, that's where the wiring harness fits into. Fits up into here. I'm not really liking that. That one fit in kind of tight. I'm wondering if that might be why I'm having problems with this. I don't know. And it comes down here, goes through this, and then out. All right, there you go. As you can see, that's how the connector fits on there. Holds it in place. Now, that little line there, and there's another one right down there, have to go line up with this and with this. Now, this is not the easiest job in the world, making your car behave itself. Now, you slip it in there and you, yeah, it's going to take two hands, folks. You get the idea. But right now, what I want to do is I want to see where everything is. I want to make sure everything works. Oh look, we got a nice marker light, nice headlight, nice turn signal. There you go. We're back in business. All right. The light on the other side, this is it. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Ladies and gentlemen, this is why you replace both. That one is on its way out too. You can see the difference. I mean, look at that. Yeah. Yeah. You're gonna replace one, gotta replace them both. Sorry, it's just how things work out. Alright, there you go, the Mad Max Malibu. Alright, I might just leave it like that. Put that on the silver wing. Yeah. Alright. Marker light, it's working. High beam, low beam. High beam, low beam. No marker light on this one. Okay, something's up. Pull that sucker back off. Alright, there you go. I just had to turn it around. It's up and working. Believe it or not, it is working. I don't know if you can see that. It is working. So, okay. Alright. Marker light. Low beam, high beam, turn signal. Turn signal, high beam, low beam, marker light. That's all I'm asking. Alright. One last little tip. These little buggers. These little buggers. Push the bottom like that, and then pull this top off with a screwdriver or something. Do it while it's out of the car. Trust me, it's easier. And then they just slip right back down in there like so, and you push them down. And it seals. Oh, and while I'm at it, I want to warn you about these. These go right here and right here. You'll have two of them in there that are like that. The rest will be like that. So, just letting you know. Alrighty, let's see here. There's my relay board, my fuse board, all those goodies. Let's see here. There it is, right there. Number 46, DRL. Where's number 46? There it is, right by number 33. Alright, so we've got 33, we've got number 46 right there, we've got the bolt that holds it down right there. Okay, they're gonna make it fun. All right. Come here, you little bastard, you. I gotcha. Now, let's see if it does it again. Now, if the car explodes, this will be my last video. Now we gotta put this thing into gear, so. Yes, I know the trunk's ajar. Okay, we are in drive. Emergency brake is on. This is increasingly stupid. It's off. It's off. Which is what I want. And we still have headlights, right? Yes, we do. Sweet, sweet, sweet. That's what I want right there. Just take that and put it in spare holder. Be done with it. All right. Now, hopefully, my headlights will last a little bit longer. I changed the headlights once in the Escort. And that was it. Only once. But this, I've had to change these 4 times. It's amazing. All right, there you go. It's all back together. Headlights are working. All the marker lights are working. Everything's back the way it's supposed to be. Now, what I needed for this job, those are the tools. 10 millimeter, 7 millimeter, flathead screwdriver, little pry bar, pliers, 1/4 inch ratchet set, little cup to hold everything in, and have, as usual, when you're done, throw everything back where it came from. These will go back inside. 7 millimeter goes there. Wrench goes back down in there. Get him out. Sockets. They all fit back in there, and as you can see, everything's in place. Still never did find a place for that. And that's it. Put everything away. Go to your favorite fast food place and get a burger. I think that's what I'm going to do. There's no extra bolts, nothing loose. Everything is out, and it's like, oh shit, now what did I forget?